हरि ओम प्रियाः संस्कृतछात्राः हार्दं स्वागतम्। इदानीं संस्कृतस्य अवधिः अस्ति। आदौ वयं प्रार्थनां कुर्मः। सर्वे करवन्दनां कुर्वन्तु। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। अद्य वयं संस्कृतभाषायाम् अक्षरेषु पूर्णाक्षरं संयुक्ताक्षरम् अस्मिन् विचारे किञ्चित् चिन्तयामः। Let us learn about Purnaksharam and Sanyuktaksharam today. छात्राः भवन्तः जानन्ति संस्कृते त्रिविधानि अक्षराणि भवन्ति। स्वराक्षराणि, व्यञ्जनाक्षराणि, पुनः अयोगवाहाक्षराणि इति। स्वराक्षरेषु पुनः ह्रस्वस्वरः, दीर्घस्वरः, प्लुतस्वरः इति विभागः अपि अस्ति। अत्र पश्यन्तु, स्वरः ववेल्, ह्रस्वस्वरः भवति शार्ट् ववेल्। अत्र पश्यन्तु अ इत्यस्ति। तत् आङ्ग्लभाषायां यदि वयं ट्रान्स्लिट्रेशन् रूपेण कुर्मः, अ इत्यस्य ए इति लिखामः, इ इत्यस्य ऐ इति लिखामः, उ इति अक्षरं यु इति लिखामः, ऋ इति अक्षरम् अस्ति, तत्र आर् इति लिखित्वा अधः बिन्दुं लिखामः। अंडर द लेटर आर् there must be a dot. Then लृ, संस्कृते एव इदम् अक्षरम् अस्ति, very special letter, only in Sanskritam it is there. L, R, under R there is a dot, that is लृ. अस्तु, अग्रे गच्छामः। long vowels पश्यामः। दीर्घस्वराः एवं भवन्ति। आ इति लिखामः। लेखने पुनः उच्चारणे अधिकं समयं स्वीकरोति। यू मस्ट टेक मोर टाइम टू प्रोनाउंस दीस् लेटर्स। यत्र ह्रस्वस्वराक्षरम् अस्ति खलु, रेड कलर मध्ये अक्षराणि यानि सन्ति, अ इ उ ऋ लृ, there you are taking very less time to pronounce. But here in long vowels, where you can see in the green color, a, i, u, ऋ, अत्र अधिकं समयं स्वीकुर्मः. We need to take more time. More time in the sense, there must be 2 seconds to pronounce these letters. The first one is a. While writing also, it takes more time. Correct? See, the letter a and a. Compare those two letters. A, which is there in the red color, and a, the green color, where the letter a, it takes very less time to pronounce also, to write also. But to write this a, you have to draw one more line there, that is a, so it takes more time. It is dirghaksharam. When it is written in English like a, and on that letter there is a line, horizontal line, you can see. So let us move on to the next letter, E. How do we write that? E is Raswaswara and E is Dirghaswara. There, over that letter I in English, there must be a line. Okay, a sleeping line must be there. It's missing there. Please make a note. E Dirgha in English, that's I, and over that I, there's a small sleeping line over I. Then the next letter, U. You can see that in the short vowel, U is there, only U. Here in English, U Dirgha. To show that there is a sleeping line over the letter U. It indicates it is Dirghaksharam, where you are taking more time to pronounce and to write as well as. The next letter is R. It's a Dirghaksharam. You can see, to write or pronounce we take more time. So you can see that the letter, English letter R, and under that letter that's a dot, and over that letter there is a horizontal line, that is R. Isn't it? You understood these four Dirghaksharas. Let us continue with some more Dirghaksharas, long conjunct Dirghaksharas. Here comes the first letter, there A, where you write A, and see that letter E, we write English letter E, we write here. Then the next comes I. In English, AI, you write there. Okay? AI is I pronunciation. We do not have AAI. As in Hindi, they have AAI. We don't have that. We have only A and I. Then the next letter is O. You can see that English O is there. Next one is O. A and U. That is O. You have understood Swaraksharani. There are Raswaswaraksharani, Dirghaswaraksharani santi. Agre gacchamaha. Consonants. Let us see the consonants now. K, K, G, Gh, Ng. These are Vargiya Vyanjanas, children. The first Varga is Ka Varga, where transliteration we can see Ka, that is Ka. Kha, you can see. The second one is Ka, where it is called Mahaprana. One H is extra in English. Same with the third letter G, that is Ga. Look at that fourth letter Gha, that's Gha. It is called as Mahapranaksharam. Okay? Then the last one is Ng. Ng letter is there. You can see the letter N, and over that letter there is a dot. Ng. That is Ng. Okay? Anunasikaksharam. Moving on to the next Varga, that is Cha Varga. Cha, Cha, Ja, Jha, Nya. Look at the first one, children. Cha, in English it is Ca. The second one, Cha, Cha. The H indicates the Mahapranaksharam, Cha. Then the next one is Ja, Ja. The fourth letter is Jha, Mahapranaksharam. In English we write Jha, Jha. Then the fifth letter, that is Anunasikam. You can see the letter Na, it is written over that N letter. There is a small line you can see, that is a Nya. So the fifth letter of Cha Varga, Cha, Cha, Ja, Jha, Nya. Hope understood. The next one is Ta Varga, where you pronounce the letters by folding your tongue. Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. Look at this one. In English, there is Ta. Under the letter T, there is a dot. That means you have to fold your tongue. Then Tha, Tha. Here you have to fold your tongue. Then H, the Mahaprana is also there. Tha. The third letter is D, where D is written under D. There is a dot. Da. So you have to fold your tongue and pronounce. The next one, Dha. There is one letter extra, there is H. It indicates Mahapranaksharam, where you have to use more air. Okay? That is Dha. The last one is Na, N-A. Under N, there is a dot which indicates, so you have to fold your tongue, and it is an Anunasika. Na. Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. The next letter, let us see. Ta Varga. Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. Where is the first letter? Here, children, you have to keep your tongue flat. Ta. Under your teeth, your tongue will be touching. Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. Practice it. Here in English, TA, that is the, THA, the, Mahaprana, H is there. Then the third letter is the, DA, the. Then the fourth letter is DHA. The H indicates Mahaprana, the air should be, more air should be used here. The last one is Na, Na. It is a normal Anunasikaksharam. Okay. Next, the fifth Varga, that is Pa Varga, Pa, Bha, Ba, Bha, Ma. These are the 5 letters. Let us see how it should be written and how to pronounce it. You must use your lips to pronounce these letters. The Pa Varga should be pronounced with the help of your lips. Both the lips should touch. Like Pa, P-A. The second one, P-H-A, Mahaprana, and your lips should touch. You have to use more air, Pa. The third letter is B-A, Ba. Fourth letter is B-H-A, that is Mahaprana, Bha. And the fifth letter, Anunasika letter is there, that is Ma, M-A, Ma, normal Ma. Now, let us see in Avargiya Vyanjanas, ungrouped consonants, there are 8 letters. The first one is Ya, Y-A, R, R-A, L, L-A, and V, V-A. Next comes Sh, S-H-A. You can see the Sh. The last part of our tongue should be used to pronounce this letter Sh. The next one is Sh, where you are supposed to fold your tongue. So it is mentioned here S-H-A, and under the S there is a dot which indicates you have to fold your tongue and pronounce Sh. Then next comes Sa, where you are keeping your tongue flat, Sa, S-A. Then H, H-A, where H is there, that means more air should be used to pronounce this letter H. So Ya, Ra, La, Va, Sha, Sha, Sa, H. Keep practicing these letters, children. You have to pronounce these letters loudly so that you will come to know where you are making mistake. So let us see the next slide. Sanyuktaksharam, conjunct consonant. Sanyuktaksharam, where you will find two consonants together. One after the other, the consonants will come. In between, there will not be any vowel or swaraksharas. Like those letters are called conjunct consonant, Sanyuktaksharam in Samskritam. Ksha, the first letter is Ksha, where you will find K and Sh. K and Sh, these two letters make Ksha. The next comes Tra. Tra is a combination of T and Ra, Tra. And you see that how it should be written. The next letter is Jna. Jna is a combination of J and Nya. So it should be pronounced like J first, then Nya. Jna. Ksha, Tra, Jna. There are so many conjunct consonants which you can write and practice. Vowel symbols should be affixed and prefixed to the consonants which form the table of compound letters. These are called Kagunitaksharani. This is to be applied to all other consonant letters. Now if you take any consonant letters starting from Ka to till Ha, if you take any consonant, if you fix the swara symbols or swara aksharani, then you are going to get compound letters. It will be called as table of compound letters. That means Ka Gunita Aksharani. See here, children, Purnaksharam means a Vyanjanaksharam, a consonant, and a Swaraksharam. Then it becomes Purnaksharam. When a consonant takes a Swaraksharam, its end, then if you see a vowel or a Swaraksharam at the end of the consonant, Vyanjanaksharam, then it will be called as Purnaksharam. So, the Vyanjanam, the consonant which doesn't have a Swara Aksharam is called as Ardhaksharam, or Halant, half letter. Why it should be called as half letter or Ardhaksharam? Because to pronounce these consonants which are not having the Swara Aksharas, the letters which take half a second to pronounce, those consonants are called as half letters. So, if there is no Swara Aksharam, then you will find a small line under the consonant. That itself indicates you that there is no Swara Akshara. It's a Vyanjana. So, you must take half a second to pronounce that letter as quickly as possible. Okay, let us see some examples here. Purnaksharam, compound letter, is formed by joining the consonants with vowels. Hope it's clear. The first letter K, you can see like the English letter K. The Vyanjana will have a line under the letter, you can see. The second one we see K plus A, then it becomes Ka, Purnakshara. How do we know Purnakshara? The line will not be there which is there under the letter Ka, only that line should be cancelled, then you will get Ka. The pronunciation of Ka is K plus A, Ka. A sound will be heard clearly. The next letter is K plus A. It should be pronounced as Ka. You can see, children, in bracket which I have marked there, there is a small piece of A Swaraksharam which is fixed to the letter consonant K. Then it sounds Ka. You can make out that K or K plus AA or K plus A. On A, there is a small line, slipping line, which tells it is Dirghaksharam. Okay, that is Ka. Now the third letter, Purnaksharam, is K plus E, Ki. You can see the E matra in blue color, that indicates you that it's a short vowel K plus I. You can see, children, the E matra is fixed towards the left side of the consonant K. If you find the matra, E ki matra, in the left side of the letter, then you have to take less time to pronounce that letter. If you find it in the right side of the letter, for example, the next one you can see the E matra, it's the right side. That is K plus E. That is Ki. It is Dirghaksharam. In English, K plus I. There is a small line, slipping line over I. You can see, or else E. How you pronounce Ki. That's Dirghaksharam. Now let us move on to the next letter, K plus U. So it is Ku. In bracket I have shown U matra. How is that? U matra, you can see the half of the U letter is been taken, and if you fix it to any consonant, then that letter will sound like U, like Ku, Ju, Nu, Mu, etc. K plus U is Ku. Here you can see the U matra is going towards the left side, so you have to take less time. The same way how we have seen the E ki matra, same way in U matra also, if it goes towards the right side, you have to take more time. Left side, less time. Right side, more time. You can see K plus U, Ku. Under K, you can see that U matra, how it is shown in the bracket, that matra is been fixed to the letter K, so it has become Ku, K plus U. Over U, there is a slipping line, you can see, that is U, Ku. Okay. Next letter is K plus R is equal to Kr. That is a R sound, K plus R, under R there is a dot, R, Kr. You can see that a part of R letter, R Swarakshara, has been cut, and it is same thing is been fixed to the letter K, so it has become Kr. It sounds R sound, Kr. The next letter is Dirghaksharam, K plus R. you can see a part of R swarakshara has been cut, which is kept in the bracket. You can see in blue color, R swarakshara chinham is there. So that same swarakshara chinham should be fixed to the letter K, then you will get Kr. Okay, the K plus R, and over R there is a line, sleeping line must be there, Kr. It is Dirghaksharam. Next letter is K plus A, that is K. You can see that A chinham, A matra in the bracket, the same matra should be fixed to any consonant, then it sounds A sound. Okay, K, Ne, J, Me, all these examples you will find. It is K plus E, K. The next letter is K plus I, that is Kai. You can see I matra, there are double. Okay, over the letter there will be double line or slanting line. K, so it makes Kai sound. K plus AI. Then K plus O is Ko. You can see that O matra in bracket which I have shown. The same piece should be fixed to any letter which will give you the sound of O. That is like K plus O, Ko, and M plus O, Mo, N plus O, No. These are the examples. K plus O. That is in English, it is Ko now. Next letter is K plus Au. You can see children, K and Au. The Au ki matra you can see. The Au matra, that is a piece of Au swaraksharam which has been cut, and if you fix that part to any Vyanjana, you will get that Au sound. Okay, Kau, Nau, Jau, Mau, etc. K plus AU, that's Kau. Next one is K plus that is Kam. There is a circle you can see. Always we write that circle Anuswara Chinham over the line. Okay, so it is Kam. There is a dot. K plus AM, Kam. Next letter is K plus Aha. There are two dots which you write towards the right side of the letter, and then you will get the sound Aha, Kaha. If it is written after Na, Naha. If you write two dots or two circles after Ma, it should sound like Maha. Only one circle over the letter, that sounds like Kam, Nam, Jam, Mam. And if you write two circles after the letter, then it should sound like Aha. Examples Kaha, Naha, Maha, etc. Hope you have understood this one. You try to do this to all the other consonants whenever you get time, then your writing part will be perfect. Now let us see Sanyukta Aksharam, how it is. Vyanjanam plus Swaraha is equal to Sanyukta Aksharam. Conjunct consonant is formed by joining one or more consonants to a consonant. If you take a consonant Vyanjanam and you fix one or two or three consonants, then you have to fix a Swarakshara. Maximum 3 or 4 consonants can come at a time, not more than 4. Okay, that is Sanyuktaksharam. Let us see few examples of Sanyuktaksharam. Yeah, the first one is K plus, that is K, that is K. The second one you can see K plus K becomes K. One example, Hakkaha, double K, KK, Hakkaha. Then the next one, K plus Chu, which makes Kchu. That is Vakchaturaha, Kcha, Vakchaturaha. Third one, K plus Tu, Ktu. The example is Bhaktaha, Ktaha, KTH, Bhaktaha. Then next one, K, T, V. There are 3 consonants together, Ktva. Udaharanam, Uktva. K-T-V-A, uktva. Next word is K-Th-Ktha. Udaharanam Sakthi. Sakthi. K-Th, then Iswara is there, Sakthi. Agrimam udaharanam asti, K plus N becomes Kn. Udaharanam Shaknoti. K, N and O swara has been fixed, so the word is Shaknoti. Shaknoti. Next example, K plus M becomes Kma. Rukmini. Example, Kma, Rukmini. Next example is K plus Y, which makes Kya. K, Y, Kya. Udaharanamasti Vakyam. Kya, Vakyam. K and Y are joined. Then next example, K plus R becomes Kr. K-R. K comes first, then R. It's Kr. Therefore, the R symbol is been written under K. Kra. Example, Takram. The next example is there. R comes first, then K. R, K is Arka. Tarkaha. Arkaha. R first, then K. So the R will be written over the letter K. Tarkaha. Did you understand? Here R sound comes first, then K. Tarkaha. Next example is K plus L, that is Kl. Shuklaha. Kla. Shuklaha. Next example is K plus V is Kwa. Pashyantu udaharanam Pakvam. K first, then V. KV. Pakvam. The last example is K plus Sh, which you have seen already, Ksha. Udaharanam Dakshaha. Evam chhatraha sarvesham vyanjananam krite vayam vyanjanani yojayitva sanyuktaksharam kartum shaknumaha. For all the consonants, if you fix different consonants which will make the Sanyuktaksharam, it will be called as Sanyuktaksharam because between two consonants there will not be any swaraksharas. Okay? Please children, practice all these. Shubham bhavatu, vadatu samskritam, jayatu bharatam. Dhanyavadaha, abhyasam kurvantu, punah milamaha.